How to pin a message in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to pin a message on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to pin a message, simply locate the chat where you would like to pin the message. Just like this, and open it, and here you can find the messages right here. Now to pin the message, keep on tapping on one of the messages just like this. Then here you can find the more actions right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find pin to channel. Now select it, and now you can see it has been pinned. And that's it. This is how you can pin a message in Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.